Righto, well today we are here to talk about the Elmer's Wolverine Ditcher. This is probably one of the smallest machines that we have here on offer at Dom Distribution with the biggest bite. Been in Australia now for about 5 years. Big key features on this machine, like I said, it has got more bite for what it can handle. It is a great bit of gear. It's a big 1000 PDO. The safety features on this machine is we have a clutch up the front, bearings through here, and a full drive line of bearings straight into another clutch. Simplest feature on this machine is our little pendulum. Brilliant, easy as, great little option, and it works a treat. Here's our cutting edge. So we've got a cutting edge there, a 1.5 metre cutting edge, which on a good day, like I said, we can do up to 650 to 750 cubic metres an hour. So one thing to remember too with this Wolverine Ditcher, it is a mini scraper. That's as simple as what it is. Nothing more to be said. Dirt goes in, dirt goes out. If we hit a rock, stump, or we fill this up full of dirt, we have a safety mechanism here called the reverser. Spins it backwards, unloads your product, kick it back into gear again, and away we go. We move around to the back of the machine, low profile tyres, so we can get down the road quick with this thing. It only weighs about 4.5 tonne, so it's not hard to get around. This is the door that gives us the capacity to throw the dirt out, or we bring that door down and we start building ourselves a contour or starting to control of the flow of where we want to send our product. So once it shoots out of this fan, we have clocked up to 45 metres of product getting thrown out in the paddock. Not like a grater blade where it's got to be sat right there. We can actually throw and spread this product. The beauty about this machine here, we can actually come down flat, or we can actually isolate to get this machine down onto an angle that suits the product. So this is our main fan. It roughly runs at about 250 revolutions a minute. These are here all on shear bolt systems. So if we do hit a big rock and something does get through the feeder and gets onto here, we have a shear bolt system here, which this will break off and that'll fold back down onto that fan for a bit of security. So that's a big, big plus. This is an auto clutch system where if something gets jammed into that feeder, this will override. So these Omni gearboxes are over 400 horsepower rated. They come straight through a drive line into this last box, which is on an angle, and go straight down into a flywheel, and that's what drives our main wheel at the back. So our big bracket coming out off there, pretty simple. That's where we whack our GPS unit. We really recommend GPS units with this machine. It really makes it shine. So we've got 2 doors on the Wolverine Ditcher and 2 outlets to offload our dirt. So when we're heading off one way, we can drop our dirt out this side. This is our control side. This is where we build our contours. The door can come right down to within a ½ metre of the machine, and that will start building our contour. On our way back, we don't want to waste dirt. We can actually come back. We open up our other side. The door opens up on the far side. She shows it as far as away as it can. Elmer's have put a lot of time into this new model with the reinforced doors, double acting hydraulic system. Works very, very well. It needs 4 remotes, and the beauty about these remotes is very, very simple to use. As we plug in, we've got a lift up and down. We've got our chute, which folds it over and back. So then we've got a tilt system, which makes the machine tilt side to side. And then we go up to our reverser machine. So that's our 4 remotes. Pretty simple. We can desilt dams, we can make contour banks, we can go into the cotton industry and build head ditches. Big customer just built himself a big 2-kilometre lateral channel, saved him a lot of time and a lot of money. Once we get this thing running at 1,000 revolutions a minute, this machine on a good day with the right soil and the right horsepower up the front, we have clocked it at over 650 to 750 cubic metres an hour. Now that is a lot of dirt for a little machine. So that's where it gets its name, the Wolverine. It's got a lot of bite for a little animal. So this is our Wolverine Ditcher, where you can come and hire or buy it here at Dom Distribution today.